Off me a bit.
No, why not?
Yeah, go under them.
Biggies. But you see this point? Like right now you're kind of reaching towards the, yeah.
See the line?
Yep.
That's it.
Thank you.
That tells me, though, that the pin is favored upwind. What I'm saying is that the course is not upwind. The course is going to be east.
Where is the mark?
The mark is, you see that boat?
Yeah.
You're at it right now.
Yeah.
Right parallel to
It's
the
in
line.
line with them. So it's way right of the wind.
Further up. Point at
See what I'm saying? Or
imagine
am I not
2
making
lengths away.
sense?
Right here. Okay.
You're making a little sense, yes.
Right here.
But my thing is this: if you start by the boat
Yeah.
Let's see
and
4
you
minutes.
tag into port,
Yeah.
you are giving them about 10 boat lengths of advantage.
Full course here now.
I'm gonna go.
So then they tag on the lefty here, look, right? And they start here and you start here.
I see. Yes. So, okay. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Start pin
When do
end.
we want jib out?
Yeah.
I think
On your
now.
next tack.
1 minute. After the tag?
After the tap.
After.
All right.
Me,
If we're starting pin end, yes.
what are we doing? Middle pen?
I didn't hear most of that.
We're gonna start pin end and then look for opportunities to tack over.
Never, in a lefty, never try to win the pen. Start middle pen.
Middle pin.
Yeah. Because then you have an options to get out.
Clear.
If not, you don't.
We're going to point right at them.
Yo, how far are we from the pen, more or less?
Just heading.
From the who?
From the pen.
From the pin?
Yeah.
Oh, man, we're well over 10 boat lengths away. We're talking about this pin.
That's the wrong boat!
Yeah, we're well over it.
Now look at them going upward, right?
We're
Now,
getting ready to
we're starting to see a right
Ready?
now. Yeah.
Attacking.
Jib out or not? Go. Pull. Let her do that. Let her do the pulling. What? Yo, what? Yo, like this. Slow the boat. Slow the boat.
Roll the boat way up, and then you'll go way down.
Is the main. Big is on the main. Is the jib.
You go hold it here, okay?
You're too fast, eh? We need to go for another spin. Too fast here. Biggies in everything. Biggies. Head down hard. Head down hard. Hard.
Yep.
Down hard.
Okay.
1 minute.
You're not going to make.
Nobody behind you.
Be careful. Head up a little bit. And up hard. Down a little bit. Keep it here.
Okay. Up.
Shoot from the line.
And a little bit. Down hard. Stop. Ease the focus. Ease the jeep. You're attacking.
You're started.
Twin.
Tag, you're on point.
Twin the shell.
We're racing.
Head down a little bit.
Speed.
There you go.
Head down a little bit. Head down. And turn the main.
Lock it.
Yeah. No, don't lock it. Try to tag again. Alright, we need to tag again, okay?
Okay. Hold there.
Ready?
Ready. Ready.
Tag in 3, 2, 1, tag.
Back it.
Slow on the tailor. Slow on the tailor. Push hard. Hard.
Good tack, guys.
Trim. No, it's not you. Ease the main, please. Katie, come high. Head up a little bit. Too much here on the boat. There you go.
Good tack back. Clean-ish air, sort of. Up on in 3, 2, 1.
So on those scenarios, when you're starting on power because
Up.
we go too slow, we gotta be very careful of
Under here.
traffic, of closing it, okay?
Sure.
Yeah, so we don't close it, we keep it in our hands, make sure we go through the traffic, and then
You're seeing this
We figured
pressure
it out.
next 20 seconds.
the mark is there. I would recommend maybe thinking about the back.
They don't have
Yeah?
room yet. It's deep.
No, they have room. On those, plenty of room.
Okay.
All right, ready, people?
Ready? 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 Back it.
Simple, pull hard, there you go. No more than that, head up a little bit. East main, please.
Fine.
Pressure in 3.
Zach,
Yep.
a little bit smoother on the turn, okay? You see that? Look at where they are now.
Yes.
More time.
Pressure in 3, 2, 1.
Hiking. Hiking.
Big pump in 3, 2, 1. Up on.
I will look back and be like, hey, how does that feel?
Hey, how does that feel?
I think it's fine.
You say, how?
It's okay.
Okay.
Another pump here.
The boat is a little too unstable right now, okay? Head down a little bit, please. We're driving a little bit all over the place right now.
Under like half. Yep, coming down just 90 bit. Okay. There you go. Here's our cloud opening, Telmo.
Yeah.
Feel a bit unstable. What do you think? A little bit of ease? I think it feels okay
One
here.
big pump here.
I think we're stable now. We got back up to speed. Everything feels under control.
Wait back a little bit. Big right in front.
We're getting knocked here.
I will do more trim on that man.
Pump rolling in 3, 2, 1.
So inside your 11.
Header in 3, 2, 1.
Thank you, Joe.
There's only one 105 windward of you. Okay, so I feel like this is a good example where we're not good at pointing.
No, you are good at pointing.
Boat speed's a little low.
That's the problem. It's the boat speed. It's not that other thing,
The
but
boat speed up.
I think you're doing pretty good right now.
Small adjustments. This is totally fine.
Wave.
I will have the fine tune on my hand, and I will be like looking forward and easing. Like right now, it's a little man. Right, every time we heal is when we lose the time. But I think you guys, you're smoking that boat right now. Also, it feels like shit because you are the most select boat on a huge variety.
Okay.
So that never helps the program, right?
I wasn't down there.
3, guys.
Right now, yes. Someone needs to break, and I'm breaking. Yes.
That boat ahead of us is clear ahead.
Yeah.
Behind our jib.
Little mainstream.
Header here.
You are up to speed. You're doing great. Look at how much you're fucking them right now.
Header 3.
You will have to deal with crib.
Okay. Where is the mark?
Northeast.
By the little boat.
Like 10:30.
Okay. Head down a little bit. Don't pinch it, please.
I think you go on top of why not?
Why not pushing it a little bit further and try to one tack it?
I don't care about right now, right?
How
I
much?
don't think we can one tack it.
You don't think so?
No.
Okay.
If we don't clear the crib, then no.
All right, head up a little bit.
If we clear the crib, then yes.
Copy.
Well, our outermost
More main.
like at 11 o'clock.
Trim a little bit the main. Head up. There you go. No more than that. Okay, it's a very thin line.
Yep.
Down. Too much. We cannot go inside this.
Fast.
Yeah, we cannot go inside this bush, right?
No.
Okay, go fast.
Wave here. We will have to tack away.
All right. Are we ready?
Ready.
All right. Hold on. Ready? Very slow on the turn. Okay. Go for it.
Go to the high side.
Up. Head up. Look at what you're doing.
I see.
You didn't go for a skirt though. There you go. Whoa. You can grab the hiking.
Okay, good.
A little more, man. Bring me up, attach, please.
You're saying more main, but you're also saying watch the heel.
Yeah, no, but I'm telling him also to head up a little bit.
Good lift here.
Head up a little bit. There. Now you can bring more men in. In this pour, it's okay. You can sail with the turtles a little bit inside. Okay, a little bit, not much.
3, 2, 1.
Like 50-50 right now.
Yeah. I would ask for a starboard. A little slow here. Very slow, actually.
A little bit down. Up in 3, 2, 1. We got this boat here.
Yeah.
Run starboard. Yep. No fast. Okay.
But that doesn't mean head down. That's too down, okay?
Got it.
A little bit high here.
Careful not to stage.
High, please. High.
A little bit down. Just a little.
I'll probably go for attack pretty soon.
Let's think about tacking.
Are we set?
Attack. Right here. Yep. Just gonna call when you're ready.
Ready?
Attack.
Let the main be down, okay? Pull, hard. There you go, perfect. That's it, no more. More main, more deep. That's fucking beautiful, guys. Hey, perfect.
We're gonna go back over pretty soon.
More J, please.
Up in 3. Not yet.
We gotta hike, people. What are we doing with this ATA?
We are not ahead. We're going to take this turn, okay?
Okay? Be ready to ease.
Coming down.
Be ready to ease. Van! Oh! Hang off! Hang off! There, that's it. Head up, head up. Head up. Head up. Alright, ready for attack. Stay there. Stay up. No, don't tap. Don't tap. Don't tap. Don't tap. He's not making it. Alright.
3.
Go. Go for it.
1.
Keep going. Keep turning. A little slow on that one, okay?
I got it.
Speed up. Yes. You have room to come down a little?
Ease a little man, please. Working it down. So attach faster on the next one. It's cool that you stay up a little bit. We just gotta be careful. Hey Joe, remember, what did we say with the feet? To press down a little bit, right?
Yes.
Okay. A little van on, please. The van. Thank you.
Yes. Up on in 3.
Alright, stop working. That's good, Joe. We don't need to ease, man. Right, traveler, I will go a little down if I was me. More, ease more, ease more, ease more. Head down. Alright, Joe.
Then you want to follow just right
There's
behind
more?
them, right? Yep. Or slightly above them.
Actually, Joe, there's a lot of pressure. Fuck that. I will go all the way down. You're reaching.
Caravita's working up on you.
Up in 3.
There you go.
2.
Nice job.
1. Remember, stay a little higher than that.
Not too high, eh? They're going super high. They're going super high. You can go down.
Come down some. As you get room.
Yo! How confident are we with this guy? With the guy?
It's on the next leg, right?
Well, yeah, but how confident we are that this will now?
Yeah, well,
Next leg, it's
I
still with
checked
me.
it. I think it's okay.
It's only what, blowing 15?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got it.
No, I just want to know that it's going to go up clean.
It's gonna go up clean.
Okay. Little Maurice,
Up on in 3.
look at your turtles. Always looking at your turtles. You know what I tell my kids if they are between the gym? I ask them if they have any puppies. Do you have any dogs, any cats, or anything?
No.
No? Oh, fuck. Any animal that you like?
Sure.
Sure. Well, let's say it's a cat, okay? And let's say that cat is called Frankie.
Mostly.
I will show up in the middle of the night if you overturn that
I kind of get.
jeep again, okay? Grab Frankie, go to the bath,
Don't go too
turn on the bath, fill the bath up,
fine.
and I'm going to put Frankie underwater as much as you overtrain the jeep. Now, do you think Frankie's going to be alive by then or not?
No.
They all are like, they're going to do what with my foot on? You're like, hey, you're doing it to yourself. You're killing puppies right now.
You're just looking at red telltale.
Yeah.
Anytime red telltale is not flowing, you ease.
Yeah, but then I also look at the top one, right? Because then if you use too much right now,
Right.
I'm not selling with these ones, I'm selling more with the middle ones.
Yeah.
Up on in 3.
Yes, it's too windy to have y'all down there. If I had y'all down there,
Then you can bring the food down.
exactly. All right, Joe, We're going to start preparing the tack a little bit. Yes, the tack out, okay? Cool? Are we ready? What's the name?
Katie.
Katie? Are we ready?
Okay. All the way.
It's a good time. We can ease the, Katie, for you, we can ease the jeep higher now. Get off the winch. Okay? Now, set up the jeep seat for, set up the jeep seat.
When we're going down the wind, it'll be like one.
That's good there, Joe.
Knee, at your right knee, Katie.
Spin against it, sorry. My bad. A couple of laps. All right, now tack out.
That's okay, you can leave it there.
Tack out.
Just put it on the cabin top.
Oh, I guess pull out first, right? Yeah, go for it. Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
Hold on.
All right. Is that good?
No, it's a hold.
Are we good? Yo, let's go. Pull out all the way. Pull out.
All the way in.
Okay, there.
Tackle
Click
under
it.
your bow.
Now tag all the way.
Need the tackle.
Yeah. Tag all the way. Okay. Hey, guide up. Guide up. Go.
Our sheet.
It's okay. Great.
Has to go under. Has to go under.
Go.
Snake.
All right, and then I'm ready when you are. Ready? All yours. Down hard.
This is close in front of us. You should be able to sail lower than that.
Stay up of them.
That 150 can happen again.
It's okay.
Hey, rerun it.
Yeah, rerun it. Rerun it.
Got it. Good right now.
Hey guys, backstay. Okay. A little more ease on that name. Don't run, we are not in a hurry, we don't run on boats. Thank you, sir.
You have 2 down.
All good?
Yeah.
Perfect.
1 down. Wave here. Following wave.
Cano off, please. Look at your main.
Trim.
And now hold on.
Good.
Keep talking to me.
Pretty light pressure, no lower. 1 up.
Be careful with the wave. Head down.
All right, you have 1 down. Pressure here is 3 down.
It looks like we're sitting very high right now, okay?
Easy there. No lower. Following waves here.
We have a boat here. What do we want to do? Okay. Be ready for a dive. Yep.
Just grab it. Ready, guys.
All right, go for it. Wave. 2, 1, now. Go. Keep going.
Watch the boom.
Go. Head down. Head down hard.
Down.
Yes. There. Up. Head up. Trim. Hello.
All right, you good? Okay. go.
It's hard. It's very hard. Maurice?
Watch the E's, guys.
Where is the mark?
Are you right here? No lower.
Is the guide. Is the guide. More. 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 There you go. You on the van. Trim. Trim. It's right there, right?
The harbor. Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We need to go. We need to go. Let's go.
Go. Watch the E's, guys. Are we ready?
They're set.
Ready?
Ready?
See. Keep going. Go. Be careful, please. Begin. Head down. Head down. Head down.
Down. Down.
Yo, that was good, but it needs to happen a lot earlier, okay? You see, the moment you release the ball, you see how the ball went? It's okay. Head down, please. Yeah.
Here. Push.
Down. There you go. Now step and up again. A little bit of fun, yo.
Okay. Trim. Good.
Going down a lot.
No lower.
Little bit
Light
okay.
pressure. Trim. Good. Wave here. Good pressure. You have one down.
I will ease a little bit more the shoulder all the way down.
Trim.
Work it down to help him. If you don't work it down, that's going to happen. Once you see, it's your apparent, it's moving forward, right? Because you're on the wave, you're planing. So take it down, and then you can bring it up again.
Got it.
Yeah.
Hey guys, are we flying it on the next leg?
We will see.
I think yes. At least we started, yes.
You have one down.
And now down. There.
Good wave here, another pushing wave.
Another one down.
Another pushing wave here. Followed by one after. Here it comes, it's going to start
Up
pushing.
one. There. And now down.
Yeah.
Yo, in the next one, I really need you on the van, okay? Down.
Like to ease it?
There.
What are we doing with that?
Ease it, yeah. You start playing it. When the ball goes flat is when you actually play. So that's also why you are working it down. You fight it a little bit, but it works pretty well.
One up.
Trim. Bring it up a little bit. Very good. Right there.
Another wave here.
I know, but we just smoked them. I know, okay.
With the light knife.
A little bit more breeze here.
That's a stall. We're in a lull of a wave.
That's good. Trim. With this wave stage, I like to have the kite a little bit over to him. Also, where is the mark? Yo, kite down, okay, kite down.
Ready?
Kite down. On the drive.
Four.
On the drive. On board. It's going to come to you, okay, let's go. Kite down now. Over 3 minutes. Over 3 minutes. All right, go. Higher. Higher. Head up. Let's go. Okay, let go.
Put some back down. Watch where you're driving. Yep, keep it there. Gotta come down just a little as you can, maybe.
Where is the mark?
Down 10 degrees.
Okay. Bring it up a little bit. Keep it moving. Joe, I need you to be out there, okay? Like, don't even, look at you, G, bro. It's over to, it's super over to him right now. Eh? Push him down on it, okay?
Okay.
Is that a little more? Look at your Jeep, always looking at your Jeep.
What am I looking at? Show me.
Your telltales. And they're all over trim as fuck.
They're all hanging down.
Yeah, that's not good. Head up a little bit.
Is the main over trim here too?
No, but
We can put some more bang on, no?
yeah.
More bang, please. Joel, more bang.
I can't pull it from there.
Okay. Well, somebody. Katie, more. Okay, better.
Sorry for making guys put the guy down. Everyone seems to be having a tough time with the guy. I saw people wiping out. So I'm like, fuck it, let's have a chill. And then we don't worry about anything, right?
Like, I don't know.
I think that's hard for us.
What made us think that we could fly on this leg? I'm genuinely curious.
I thought we could fly it.
Head up a little bit, head up. You have boats coming behind you, head up.
Got it. If needed, we would sail a little deep and then put it away. I thought we could decide that. Yeah.
A little main. Head up. There you go. Head up, head up. More main. And now down. Down, work it down. Down hard, down hard, down hard. There. Down, east main. One up, keep the ball moving. Head up a little bit, more main. There you go. Head up, be careful, they're about to wipe out.
They're bouncing.
Uh-huh. Be careful, they're about to wipe out. If they wipe out, they hit you.
Come on.
Got it.
I can't see anything.
Work it down,
We're gonna have room, guys.
down, down.
We got room. We got room, guys.
Right there, straight ahead, Zach.
Down hard, down more. And Trim. And hold up. Hold open. More, faster. More main, more abs. There you go. And now down 129.
Trying to accelerate here.
No, stay here.
Okay.
All right. So on that one, it's very important to have hard up so you don't give them an option, right? All right, ready for attack?
You ready to?
Guys, if they tag, we tag, okay? Tagging,
Let's get ready to attack. Go. Tagging.
tagging, let's go. Tag,
Here's the handle.
faster. There you go. Right there, that's good.
You okay?
All right, Zach, listen through.
Why is that line on the water?
Spin sheet.
I got it. It's okay. Here.
Hey guys, there's less white pads, so there's less green.
More main. Go to your speed, okay? We're attached slow right now. 5-1 is not good. Yo, on the next tag, between the arrow, okay? Yes. All right, that's good.
3. Hop on, guys.
Head up. There. You are gaslighting them right now. I don't want you to go lower, okay? If you go lower, then you start getting free air.
Got it.
You see that?
Yeah.
Now they go for another tag. What do we do?
Tag.
Perfect. Although there's another
Ball
gear on the
here,
side there.
ball.
To your numbers, okay?
No lower. Okay. Puff in 3, 2, 1. Puff on. To lift.
You got the boat inside your 230.
All right, the other J105 came with us. We gotta be looking at those. Going very slow right now, guys. Very slow. Not good.
Really had to
Get ready to attack.
Let's go.
You guys ready? Ready. Attacking.
And up, both of you up. I need you to be sailing the boat at 6 at least, okay? You good?
Yeah.
Okay? You good?
Mine.
We'll see, sir.
Oh.
Good lift here.
Hiking, please. Hiking. You're almost in lane line.
We'll be on this lift for the next 20 seconds.
Thank you. Too much here? No lower, okay?
Puff on.
It turned out to be a beautiful night.
Huh?
Turned out to be a beautiful night.
Front
How are you
puff in 3,
I'm a little pissed off.
Why?
1. Puff on.
I'll explain.
Oh. Is everything okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Another puff here in 3. Followed by a
What do you
wave.
think of the gear?
Right now we're too high. We're pinching. We need to come down and then maybe we can trim a little bit on.
Okay, let's talk.
Don't pinch.
Down, 90 down.
Puff in 3, 2, 1. Puff on. Lift. We're down.
Where's the other J105?
This is gonna be on for the next 10 seconds.
No, where's the other J105? You cannot pinch the ball, bro.
A little bit down. Another puff in 3. Okay, that's what you're watching. As soon as they're flying straight up, wave in 1. That's way better. Ease them straight back. Straight up his back.
You got small ups here.
Yeah, another strong puff here. 3.
Doing pretty fast.
Being stronger puffs towards the committee boat. Very nice.
The J105 the other J105 tag with us.
Still fast. Next 30 seconds to lift.
Is it smart?
Don't pinch here.
Is it smart what the other J105 is doing? The one leading?
I don't know which one you're
Look,
talking about.
there's one there and one back there. Is it smart what he's doing?
No, we're almost laying it. We're gonna attack to the line from here. We're gonna lay it.
Yep, there you go. Keep the speed
Why would you throw in 2 tacks?
Do we have any traffic?
No, we're gonna come in on starboard.
Pressure coming in 3.
What are you saying, Gary? One tack to the finish.
One tack to the finish.
One tack to the finish. Yeah, it'll be easy.
Yes, we are. Oh, Gary, that's what we're doing. Can you lift it? Speed up, Mike. So the lift here for the next 20 seconds.
So what we're doing right now is called loose coverage. Okay?
So they're a little in front of us.
No, loose coverage means we are like loose.
Come down. There you go.
They have an opportunity to be in front of us, but they don't have that many opportunity. But we are not affecting them, so we can both go fast to lane line.
Wave here.
There.
Another puff here.
But if you are leading, it's the best case scenario, right?
Yeah. We're nowhere near lane line.
No, I know. We're making our merry way that way. Don't try to go high on them. That's the worst thing that can happen, okay? If we're slow and high on them.
No traffic, okay? Yep. Puff in 3.
How is our other, the one behind us, how is he doing?
They're lower.
Okay?
I can't tell that.
So no worries, right?
No worries.
Okay. That's the only thing we need, no worries.
Yep. Another good lift here.
I think boat heavily favored here.
Good lift here. Good lift.
A little is on that main. 28 is way too much, okay? We start going sideways and you see how much they gain in like 30 seconds.
You got 5 more boat lengths, okay?
There's a stronger breeze for the next minute.
3 boat lengths.
Too low right now, eh? They're gaining so much on us.
But any higher, we're pitching.
Okay?
2 more boat lengths.
We're not tagging until they tag, eh?
Good lift incoming. Puff in 3. 1. All right, they're getting ready. Yep. Wave here, wave.
Hold, don't tag yet.
Wave, okay.
Oh, look at it.
Hold on, Katie. Don't worry about that. You're trimming it. Don't worry.
Right, go. Tag. Tag the boat. Head up hard.
Lift here, 3, 2, 1.
We tend to come out a touch too low, and that gives us a lot of heel, and it just swipes us out.
That keep us fast.
A little more main, please.
Puff in 3.
I don't mind if you pinch right now, just don't give them an option to tag, okay?
Puff in 3,
here.
2, 1.
So you see what I'm doing there? You,
Lift here.
into 4 to finish. So if you tag at the line, you get to the line closer, right? So then you pinch out to give yourself room up, so they don't have the option to tag inside you. Yeah. But that's what I'm saying. It's like force it to the boat. I don't care if you go 4-5 to the boat.
There you go.
Just don't give them an inside.
Keep us down. Wave.
Almost there. Almost there. 740-40.
All right. Hang off.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I want to talk about some stuff.
Okay. Hey. Great driving.
Wow. Harbor's that way. Okay, turning. Oh, wait. Yeah, all the way. Turning down.
You good? Okay? Are you okay?
I'm fine. Just a little shook up.
Yo.
Pasó.
Que muy buen trabajo, bro.
Yep. The masked guy. It's all good. Hey, it's all good. I woke up. Back. Yeah. What do you want to do? I can take it. All right. Unless you guys need to breathe. We're going same place we are. Don't drive it. Not too low. Not too low.
Okay. First, just grievances, not debrief. The cross-sheeting thing
It's a bitch.
can work.
Yeah.
Today, too crowded.
Yeah.
We weren't on top of it. It wasn't what we were used to.
Who was doing it? It was Katie and you?
Katie,
Yeah.
me,
Telmo was there too.
Telmo was there too.
I was a little stuck. Have a
It
beer
was-
while you're talking. No, I won't. Katie,
It was.
Zach, I'll take one of those.
It didn't work.
Wheats.
Let me
Eh?
put it that way. It didn't work.
No.
I
I think the other way works a lot better too.
Yeah. But you know what? That's fine. It's what we did today. I don't think there was anything we didn't know that was going on there. It just
Yeah.
wasn't working.
Thanks.
Yeah.
We got Stiegel. You good? No? Yeah.
Even things as simple as just like actively boat handling and trimming the jib. If I'm thinking about hiking and then I'm looking out and then I'm also trying to ease, it's not something I can do from that position.
I don't think you should be looking out. That's my thing, right? It's like I don't think you should have been the tactician. I think you should have just like
I wasn't a tactician.
yeah, but I should have just like have you like trimming all the time from the outside, legs out, just looking over the window.
You
And
would have me sitting behind the winch.
You're on the main.
okay,
Sting it to me.
I will have you like this.
Yeah, okay. I can
Right?
Doable
So-
from there, yes.
So you're here, like this, and then you have the winch here.
And I'm just looking at the jib.
Yeah, and then you're talking to them.
Yes,
The problem is these fuckers, they don't talk too loud, right? But I will be like, hey, like how is it feeling? Good?
Sure.
Or too much pressure, okay, I'm going to ease a little bit. So I open the leash.
Sure.
So then the boat gets stable. The boat was doing a lot of this today, right? And that's not fast.
Yeah. Okay. But that's fine. Big
Yeah.
takeaway is communication. Not boat handling. I'm inclined to say whatever. It'll be better next time.
Yeah.
Do something different.
That's the port side bench. What? I was saying that's the port side bench because it knocked you down.
Yeah, that hurt. Okay. First mark rounding. Let me think.